Solid Mind here, and today we are looking at the Roku Ultra. Is this worth buying in 2025? Now, quickly looking at the back of this, you can clearly see that it has HDMI port, one USB port, Ethernet, and power. For the price, it isn't bad. You can buy it now on Amazon for around £100. So it's a lot cheaper than the Fire TV Cube. That's around £140. So this is about £40 cheaper than that. But the question is it worth buying? Let's find out together.
It's been out a few years now, and a lot newer streaming devices have recently been released. So I tested it out for a few weeks now to see.
It looks like there's volume controls here on the side. Why would you need to do volume controls on the actual puck?
How it compares to other popular newer streaming devices to see if it really is still one of the best products on the market. And I've got to say, I was pretty pleasantly surprised. So I'm going to tell you everything you need to know if you're interested in the Roku Ultra, like how to set it up, how to use it, how it performs, how it compares to competitors, and some other things I wish I knew before buying.
So,
starting with what's in the box.
Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. They come with earphones. This is something that nowadays is not as impressive as it was back in the day, but I would absolutely wish that other streaming, devices had this ability. So we can clearly see on the remote, there's an on and off button. Perfect. Home, back. Where's volume? I don't see volume here. I see. Oh, there's volume on the sides. Okay. Wow, this is a lot. Jeez. Okay, I'm very impressed. HDMI cable, micro USB. I didn't see any micro USB ports on here. But okay, so far looks pretty good.
There is the Roku Ultra itself, a remote control, two AAA batteries, a high-speed HDMI cable, a power adapter, and headphones. To set up the Roku Ultra, first connect it to your TV using the HDMI cable provided. Then plug it into an outlet using the power adapter. Use the TV's remote to turn the TV on and select the input source that was used to connect the Roku device. Insert the batteries into the remote and it will automatically pair with the TV. Then follow the setup instructions.
I'm wondering, what's the micro USB for? Because if the remote already has two AAA batteries, what use case is the micro USB for?
On your TV screen. Activate the Roku Ultra by using your computer or smartphone to link a Roku account. The main menu on the Roku Ultra is simple and intuitive. There are lots of categories to choose from, including live, free features, streaming, sports, and more. The search function can be used to find specific.
This looks a lot like Amazon.
Things there. There is tons of great free content provided with Roku Ultra and subscription services that you stream like Netflix, Disney, YouTube, and Spotify can be accessed here too. So all your content is together in one spot. The 4K streaming quality is excellent.
Okay, it has 4K. That was my next question, so at least that's a good plus.
With vibrant colors, and the details are incredibly clear with Dolby Vision. If the TV doesn't support 4K, the Ultra also works in HD. And it has DTS digital surround and supports Dolby Atmos with compatible speakers so that
I feel like everything has Dolby Atmos compatibility. So the Fire TV stick, the 4K, this has it. The Chromecast has it. So it seems like when you get around £50 or higher, it's like it's expected for you to basically have 4K, to have Netflix, Disney, Prime Video, everything, to also have Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, and all those little bits. So I feel like whenever you buy one of these streaming devices above £50 and they are from like a big name brand company, they're gonna have pretty much the same like features in a way. I don't like that you have to use a power connector to charge it. I prefer like USB-C in the back just in case you lose this little cable, but hey, it's not bad.
The sound is awesome also. Overall, the picture quality and sound make for incredibly immersive viewing. Roku Ultra has a quad-core processor, and response times are super fast. Plus, it has Roku's top-of-the-line Wi-Fi that makes streaming seamless, even when there are multiple devices being used on the network. The Roku Ultra includes more than 100 free live TV apps, which is amazing.
Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. It's not special because every other streaming device also has that.
Amazingly handy, and it also gives access to Roku original content on the Roku Channel.
Okay, to be fair, even if it's free and other devices have it, the fact that it's easily accessible, you don't have to download certain applications to access it, is a big plus.
The remote control is really clear and easy to use, and it also controls the TV's power and audio. So the
I like how the volume controls are on the side. It makes it way more intuitive.
whole remote control situation is much easier. I really love that it is hands-free and compatible with Google Home, Alexa, Apple Home, and Apple
Alexa. Okay. I am very impressed.
AirPlay. That is super convenient, and I use it hands-free most of the time. The remote is also rechargeable, and it has handy buttons for
That explains it. So it is rechargeable. That explains the micro USB.
shortcuts to favorite channels. If you happen to lose track of it, just say, "Hey Roku, where's the remote?" and it will make a sound.
Hold on. So I don't have to press a button. I can just talk to it like an Alexa.
The home screen is customizable by using the Move Channel or Remove Channel selections from the options menu. It was really easy to set up.
This UI looks a lot like the Apple TV's UI. I'm not a fan of the Apple TV's UI, but one thing that I like about the Apple TV and also this is the fact that you're not given ads on the Amazon stick. The Fire Stick, in the top 1/3 of the screen is just trailers and adverts. And you can't really escape it. Yes, you can go into the applications to manually select them, but on the homepage, yeah, there's gonna be something playing, something being sold to you. That's a downside, but this so far is a pretty clean UI. I'm really impressed. I've never really used Roku, but okay.
A home screen that had the content I wanted organized based on how much I use each of them. This really increases the convenience factor of the Roku Ultra. The Ultra includes headphones, so it's easy to plug them into the remote and listen privately without disturbing anyone in the same room.
This is a big plus. The only caveat I would put to that is that a lot of streaming devices come with Bluetooth, and Bluetooth devices have become really cheap. You can get like an average pair for like £10 on Amazon. So this is a massive plus in terms of it's in the box and it can get up and go. But in terms of it being like a standout feature, it's more of a nice to have today. A couple years ago, massive feature. Today, it's a nice to have.
The Roku Ultra is always up to date with the latest improvements too, because Roku updates the software regularly with new features. Users get these updates automatically, including new apps, features, and more. When people come to visit, they can use their Roku app accounts and subscriptions by using guest mode on the Roku Ultra and get to enjoy free content, live TV, and music, or try out any of the 100 plus apps that Roku offers. In guest mode, visitors will not be able to access the owner's apps, make unauthorized purchases, or influence recommendations.
Now, guest mode sounds interesting. I don't know if the other devices have settings like that where you can have different profiles. You probably I think you can actually, but the fact that this already comes with it is a massive plus. Okay, I'm very impressed, Roku.
The Roku Ultra is compact, and it's also very portable. Just unplug it from the TV, throw it in a bag, and take it along when you're going to a friend's house or even on vacation.
Why would you take it to your friend's house?
All you need is an HDMI-compatible display and Wi-Fi access. The Roku Ultra is a fantastic piece of tech to easily access all types of streaming content in 4K resolution. It has an easy-to-use, customizable home screen, and it enables access to lots of free content.
Okay, let's stop it here and let's have a little conversation. Should you buy this, the Roku Ultra? I have been trying the entire video to find one reason why you shouldn't buy it, and I can't. It has everything you need and extras, and it's difficult to recommend it now because, like, okay, would I go out and buy the Roku? Transparently, if you gave me the option between buying the Fire TV Cube or the Roku, if I didn't have everything already in the Amazon ecosystem, I would get this. I would definitely get this. For the price, you can get this currently on Amazon. It's like £89 on offer from £110. So it's already like, what, £50 cheaper. I don't think you need the Ultra though. There's other cheaper Roku devices that have the same features, but this on itself is worth getting. If money is a factor and you're contemplating between getting this and like the expensive Fire TV Cube, get this, because I literally cannot find one reason why you shouldn't get it. I prefer the Fire Cube in terms of the UI, in terms of what I'm used to, but in terms of it's your first time buying, get this because it's cheaper, it does everything, and it also has some extra features like you can plug in your earphones. And that sounds stupid, but in a big family, like, this can be a game changer. You want to watch TV at 10 p.m. People are in bed by 10 sometimes. There you go. You can watch it in silence. But anyway, guys, do you guys own the Roku Ultra or a Roku device? What do you guys think? Comment down below. Please like, comment, subscribe, and yes, peace.